Today I'm going to give a review on the COSORI Dehydrator, then a review on silicone mats I purchased for it, and lastly, a comparison of stackable versus cabinet style dehydrators. This is simply a quick overview. On the side, you'll notice the handles. Make sure that if you need to move the cabinet, that you use the handles. The unit will get hot. When you close the door, you will notice that there's a little gap between the door and the unit. That's normal. That's for airflow. This unit has 6 racks that you just slip right into the grooves. The mesh racks are stainless steel. In fact, the whole unit is stainless steel, so it looks beautiful. A stiff plastic mesh comes with it. And one of the things I noticed, it doesn't quite fit across the stainless steel rack, which I find is a negative. I want to get as much food on that rack as I possibly can. You will also receive a fruit roll tray, and you can use this to make fruit leather, maybe dehydrate some juices. I did, however, find a solution for the stiff plastic mesh. I purchased silicone liners off of Amazon. So these liners will not fit perfectly on your rack. You will have to size them. So the best way for me was to measure the rack and then cut the liners to fit the rack. I found if I could get my scissors inside that groove, I could cut that mat just like I cut Christmas wrapping paper. And now we'll do a comparison between the stackable and the cabinet COSORI dehydrator. One of the main differences between the stackable and cabinet dehydrator is vertical versus horizontal airflow. In a stackable, the fan blows either from the top or the bottom, and in a cabinet style, the fan will blow either from the back or on the side. Having the air flow from the side or the back allows air circulation more evenly over the food. In a stackable, where the fan is on the top or the bottom, you have to rotate the trays for even airflow. In the cabinet style, the trays are rectangular and you can get more food on the racks, versus the stackable, the trays are round. The cabinet style also has a dual purpose. You don't have to just use the unit as a dehydrator. Because the racks slide out, you can proof sourdough bread or incubate jars of yogurt. A couple of reasons I chose a COSORI is because I'm a visual person. I like to see into the unit to gauge at what stage the drying process is. Food dries at different rates. In a stackable, you have to remove the trays to see the food. And the last and most important reason, it looks nice on my counter and I see it every day. If I had a stackable, it would be put away somewhere, and the chance of me remembering to get it out and use it would go down drastically. So there is a price difference between the stackable and the cabinet. At the time of this recording, the cabinet is about $150, the stackable is about $70. If you want more information on the stackable, I've included Kimberly Flanagan's link down below. She did an excellent job at reviewing this model. Well, once again, thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.